How to remove a screen time limit on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Here, you can get insights about your screen time and set limits as needed. Adults can also set parental controls for a child's device. You can also get insights about your personal screen time and set limits as needed. Now, scroll down to the Limit Usage section and tap on App Limits. App Limits lets you set daily time limits for app categories you want to manage. For example, entertainment 1 hour, every day. You can also add more limits if you want using the Add Limit option below. Limits reset every day at midnight. If you don't want any limits, then turn off the App Limit switch at the top. Following these steps, you can easily remove a screen time limit on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.